Driving a premium vehicle should feel as luxurious as it looks, right down to the scent. The best air freshener for luxury car transforms every trip into an elegant experience with refined, long-lasting aromas that elevate your interior ambiance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ceeniu CF8 Car Air Freshener. The Ceeniu CF8 Car Air Freshener brings a unique blend of technology and natural fragrance into your vehicle, creating a refreshing environment for every journey. Inspired by dreamy landscapes of waterfalls and clouds, this freshener adds a touch of fantasy and serenity to your driving experience. One of its most appealing features is the Smart Mode On-Off, powered by the latest Ceeniu 5.0 Pro Smart Chip. This innovation allows the freshener to automatically turn on when the car moves and shut off when the vehicle stops, eliminating unnecessary usage and conserving energy. Additionally, it offers 2 spray modes that let you customize the fragrance intensity according to your personal preference. Another standout benefit is its flexible charging system. The CF8 comes with an 800 mAh lithium battery that supports both Type-C charging and solar power. Once fully charged, it can operate for up to 30 hours continuously, and solar charging provides added convenience by reducing the hassle of constant recharging. To further enhance its value, Ceeniu includes 2 essential oil refills, each offering 1,200 sprays. With average weekly driving, these refills can last for 6 months, making it both cost-effective and practical. The oils are sourced from Robertet in France, known for their high-quality natural fragrances, and are SGS certified as non-toxic, ensuring safety for all passengers, including pregnant women and infants. Number 2. Ceeniu Ultrasonic Mist Car Air Freshener. The Ceeniu Ultrasonic Mist Car Air Freshener elevates your in-car experience by combining ultrasonic mist technology with premium natural fragrances. Unlike traditional air fresheners that simply diffuse aroma, this model produces a visible mist that enhances the sensory experience, transforming routine drives into refreshing, spa-like journeys. The mist technology creates a more immersive and engaging way of enjoying fragrance, which feels unique compared to ordinary spray-based or passive air fresheners. Durability is another area where this product excels. Crafted from aluminum alloy, it feels premium and built to last. The dual leak prevention design ensures that even on bumpy rides, you won't have to worry about spills. To back its durability, Ceeniu includes a 1-year Ceeniu Care warranty, with quick support responses within 12 hours, offering customers added assurance. Trusted by over 800,000 drivers worldwide, the brand has proven reliability. Ease of use is another highlight. The freshener includes Smart Auto On-Off functionality, detecting car movement automatically. This means no more remembering to manually switch it on or off, an especially useful feature for busy drivers. Its powerful built-in battery provides up to 2 months of use from just a 2-hour charge, far surpassing many other portable car air fresheners that need frequent recharging. Fragrance quality is equally impressive. Number 3. Ceeniu CF23 Car Air Freshener. The Ceeniu CF23 Car Air Freshener stands out as a simple yet thoughtfully designed option for drivers who prefer natural, electricity-free solutions. Inspired by Zen aesthetics and the calming effect of Haidama water, the CF23 is more than just a fragrance diffuser. It is designed to bring tranquility and balance to your driving experience. Unlike electronic models, this freshener does not require batteries, charging, or fire. Instead, it simply plugs into the car's air conditioning vent, making it safe, reliable, and maintenance-free. This design ensures peace of mind for families with children or pets. One of its unique aspects is the chevron cover with a pleasant clicking sound. Turning it by hand produces a subtle, satisfying click, functioning like a mini fidget toy. This can help drivers stay alert during long drives or while waiting at signals, providing a small yet thoughtful touch of relaxation. The air freshener uses plant-derived deodorizing factors to eliminate common car odors such as sweat, smoke, and trapped air conditioning smells. Rather than masking odors, it neutralizes them, leaving behind a subtle, natural fragrance that refreshes the cabin without being overpowering. The long-lasting scent performance is another plus. Each refill can last up to 90 days, offering consistent freshness for about 3 months. Number 4. Ceeniu CF12 Car Air Freshener. The Ceeniu CF12 Car Air Freshener represents the brand's 2025 flagship model, combining advanced design with premium fragrance technology. With its upgraded fountain mist nozzle and stylish blue lighting effect, the CF12 is a device that feels luxurious and high-tech, offering an elevated in-car atmosphere. The fountain-style spray system ensures even fragrance distribution and a more dynamic sensory experience, creating a calm and pleasant ambiance for drivers and passengers alike. One of its key highlights is the Smart Auto Start function. Once installed, the CF12 automatically activates when the car starts, eliminating the need for manual control. With 3 adjustable scent modes, users can easily customize the fragrance intensity, whether they prefer a light hint of freshness or a stronger aroma. This flexibility ensures that everyone can find the right balance for their needs. Battery performance is also impressive. With a 700 mAh built-in battery, the CF12 offers up to 60 days of operation on a single charge when used in light mode. This extended battery life is convenient, reducing the hassle of frequent recharging. Charging itself only takes about 2 hours, making it practical for long-term use. Number 5. TORRAS Smart Car Air Freshener. The TORRAS Smart Car Air Freshener combines elegance with innovation, delivering both style and practicality to your driving experience. With its upgraded fountain-style diffusion system, it ensures that fragrance is evenly and consistently spread throughout the cabin, offering a more refined experience compared to traditional air fresheners. This system not only provides a luxurious misting effect, but also guarantees that the scent lingers longer, keeping the car fresh and inviting. Equipped with a 700 mAh battery, this device supports up to 60 hours of runtime on a single charge, making it ideal for frequent drivers or long-distance travelers. Unlike models that need constant recharging, TORRAS has designed its air freshener to last, allowing drivers to enjoy uninterrupted freshness without hassle. Convenience is further enhanced with the Smart Auto On-Off function. Once installed, it automatically powers on when the car starts and shuts off when the engine is turned off. This automation saves energy while also removing the burden of remembering to operate the device manually. The TORRAS air freshener uses 45 milliliter fragrance refills from Robertet in France, ensuring high-quality natural aromas that last up to 4 months. These fragrances are tested and certified safe for pregnant women and babies. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.